What is up guys, my name is Ignas, welcome back to the channel. We are in the episode number 44 of the stock investing portfolio series. $60 more was added, we bought some stock and received the dividends. An early thumbs up would be much appreciated, and with that out of the way, let's get into the moves. On Monday we received dividends from eBay, and that was 14 cents for our position that we sold out of completely last week. The first buy on Monday was $20 into Baidu, where we got 0.108 of a share at $183.61. In the last 5 trading days, Baidu is up for 9.51%. In 1 month it is higher for 4.02%. And in exactly 1 year, the stock is up for 67.07%. In the last week, Baidu started picking up momentum. The relative strength index went over 50 at 62.48, and the 12-day moving average of the MACD is going further up from the 26th one. We are already at the previous resistance of around $200 per share, so for the next one, let's see if it can go towards $220. Another buy on Monday was $20 into Vertex Pharmaceuticals, where we got 0.105 of a share at $189.94. In the last 5 trading days, Vertex is up for 3.3%, in 1 month it is down for 6.26%, and in exactly 1 year the stock is lower for 31.85%. After the recent drop, the stock was still very weak. The relative strength index was around 30, but the 12-day moving average of the MACD was showing strength already. The same can be seen in the histogram of the MACD too. The last 2 trading days were quite good. Relative strength index is moving towards 50, and we almost have a bullish crossover in the MACD lines. If this positive price action slows down next week, then I will be looking to add into the stock more. But if the strength continues like this, then maybe I will sit this one out. Then on Wednesday we added $20 into Barrick Gold, and we got 0.939 of a share at $21.29. In the last 5 trading days, Barrick is lower for 0.29%, in 1 month it is down for 12.45%, and in exactly 1 year the stock is lower for 20.05%. We saw a nice drop in price last week, and the relative strength index is currently just over 30 at 31.28. But if we take a look into the histogram of the MACD, it seems that money is slowly moving back into the stock. So I will likely be adding more into the stock at these levels before the technical indicator starts to become more bullish. On Thursday we added $20 more into Sempra Energy, where we got 0.147 of a share at $135.33. In the last 5 trading days, Sempra is down for 0.72%, in 1 month it is up for 1.6%, and in exactly 1 year the stock is up for 16.38%. The share price was dropping hard for the most of last week, but on Friday that trend reversed heavily. The relative strength index is just under 50 at 14.91, and the histogram of the MACD is turning green. So my plan for next week is to check for red days, and if the stock would reach the support of around $135 per share. That would be a trigger for me to add more into the position. On Friday we received the dividends from Qualcomm, and that came in at exactly $1 for our position. So these were all the moves for the week. Now let's go into Google Sheets to take a deeper look. Since we added into Baidu, we now have 1.02 of a share. The average buying price is $196.12, and the current market price is $202.64. The cost basis is $200, and the current market value for the position is $206.65. This means that we are up for $6.65, and that is an increase of 3.32%. Baidu currently takes up 6.57% of the portfolio, and that is 32.81% of the communication services sector. We also added into Vertex Pharmaceuticals, and we now have 0.209 of a share. The average buying price is at $191.58, and the current market price is at $194.34. The cost basis is $40, and the current market value for the position is $40.58. This means that we are up for 58 cents, and that is an increase of 1.44%. The position takes up 1.29% of the portfolio, and it is 18.71% of exposure in the healthcare sector. Then we also added into Barrick Gold, where we now have 2.758 of a share. The average buying price is $21.76, and the current market price is $20.89. The cost basis is $60, and the current market value is $57.60. This means that we are down for $2 $2.39.40, and that is a loss of 3.99%. The position takes up 1.83% of the portfolio, and that is 100% of our exposure in materials sector. Another buy this week was Sempra Energy, and we now have 0.444 of a share. The average buying price is $135.24, and currently the share price is $137.47. The cost basis for the position is $60, and the current market value is $60.99. This means that we are up for 99 cents on the position, and that is an increase of 1.65%. Sempra takes up 1.94% of the portfolio, and it is 58.65% of exposure in utilities sector. Now let's make a quick summary. So the portfolio is currently valued at $3,144.30, and we ourselves have deposited exactly $2,760. This means that we are up for $384.30, and that is an increase of 13.92%. Now let's take a look how the portfolio is diversified by different positions. So we have 3.1% invested in Google, 3.9% in AT&T, 6.5% in TTWO Interactive, 6.6% in Baidu, 7.7% in McDonald's, 10.4% in Alibaba, 6.6% in Walmart, 0.7% in Coca-Cola, 1.9% in Kimberly, 3.9% in Mastercard, 2.3% in Visa, 2.9% in Johnson & Johnson, 2.8% in Thermo Scientific, 1.3% in Vertex Pharmaceuticals, 0.7% in Lockheed Martin, exactly 5% in Western Digital, 2.7% in Intel, 4.8% in Microsoft, 3.3% in Sony, 7.6% in Qualcomm, exactly 6% in Canadian Solar, 3.9% in Autodesk, 1.8% in Barrick Gold, 1.4% in Consolidated Edison, 1.9% in Sempra Energy, and we have 0.5% of the portfolio still available in cash. And let's scroll just a bit lower to check how the portfolio is diversified by different sectors. So we have exactly 20% invested in communication services, right there at our target. Then there is 18.1% in consumer discretionary, where we have a target of 10%, 9.2% in consumer staples, with a target of 8%, 6.2% in financials, where the target is 7%, 6.9% in healthcare, with the target being at 12%, 0.7% in industrials, where we have a target of 11%, 33.2% in information technology, where we have a target of 23%, 1.8% in materials, where the target is 3%, 3.3% in utilities, just over our target of 3%, and 0.5% in cash, where our target is 0%. It so happens that the portfolio tracker is also calculating dividends, so the annual sum that we are currently receiving in dividends is now at $39.21, which from our portfolio value makes a dividend yield of 1.25%. I want to increase on the dividend amount that I get from this portfolio, and the current goal is $120 per year. This means that I will try to be adding more into our dividend paying positions. But I will also don't shy from the growth positions if any sales come up there. Let's see how this strategy works out. So that was it with the investing portfolio update. If you are interested in details, you can access the Google Sheets document whenever you like. There is a link for it in the description below. If you have any questions or comments regarding the portfolio and calculations, you can add those under the video. I will make sure to take time and answer any of those. If you are interested in a chat, you can direct message me on Facebook at Dandy Finance. And if you want to see some funny original memes, then follow Dandy Finance on Instagram. And that was it. If you got value or new ideas, then make sure to push the thumbs up. It helps the channel a lot. Now it's your turn. Which stocks have you been buying or selling this week? Share your recent best picks in a comment below. If you are interested to know exactly when I buy or sell any stock, then consider the options on Patreon. This week we did stock comparisons from the gold industry with Kinross Gold, Royal Gold, BIDU Gold, Wheaton Precious Metals, Agnico Eagle, and Kirkland Lake Gold. If you are interested in any of these, then click on a video currently on the screen. And that was it from my side. Thank you for watching, and I will be seeing y'all in the next one.